Welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today we are making a fast, easy, economical dinner that even the kids will eat. It's Pan Marmalade Baked Chicken. You will need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, sliced in half, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3/4 cup of orange marmalade, 4 teaspoons of orange juice, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of dried tarragon, salt and pepper, and chopped parsley for garnish if you feel like it. Preheat your oven to 400. Place your chicken thighs in a bowl, add the oil, and coat them thoroughly. Then arrange them on a parchment-lined sheet pan. Season with salt and pepper. Set them aside. In a small bowl, combine the marmalade with the orange juice, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and tarragon. Whisk to combine. Generously brush the chicken with your marmalade mixture. Then place them in the oven and bake for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take your chicken out of the oven and brush it again with the marmalade mixture. Then return it to the oven and bake for another 15 minutes or to an internal temperature of 165. And now we'll just garnish it with a little parsley and a bit of orange. If you have little ones, the portions are perfect. 1 thigh half is enough for a little kid. For the grown-ups, you might want a couple of pieces, and believe me, you will want seconds. It's juicy, tender, and delicious, and it goes great with the Armenian-inspired Middle Eastern brown rice that we made last week. If you missed that recipe, I'll put that down in the description as well, or a link to it anyway. So I hope you'll try this. You won't be sorry. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber and leave me a comment because I'd love to know if you're making my recipes and how you like them. Join me again next time here at Home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.